welcome to Lessons with a King, your daily show to make your day in life just a little bit better. Today's lesson 1011, don't get mad at nature. Nature is super powerful. I mean, a hurricane will come out, they'll blow everything down. We had a flooding there, people, it was a mess. What I've learned is that nature is just going to do its thing. I mean, obviously climate change is playing a role, and we as human beings, we've done things to get climate there. But you can't be mad at nature because it's not as if there's anything I can do to change it. I just have to learn to adapt and learn to live with it and do my best to, save the planet. Today's prompt. Today's prompt 1011. How do I handle when nature does its thing? I accept. Lesson 1011. Don't get mad at nature. I'll see you tomorrow.